So hello and welcome students to a Scratch video series. Today we are going to learn on how to animate a bear. So before this you also have learned on how to animate a bat by using different costumes, waiting for 0.1 second and then changing the costume if you have been following this series. So today we are going to talk about animating a bear. So it is pretty simple. You just have to choose a sprite, and what your sprite should be. Last time it was a bat and now it should be a bear. Okay, so without further ado, let me bring you to the Scratch platform. Okay, here I have to choose a sprite. So I click here, choose a sprite, and bear walking. So I want my bear to be walking. Okay, so this is my sprite, and I can also change the backdrop. Right now I have Arctic, so I don't think brown bears are allowed to walk in Arctic. So what is something that is funny? I think Malibu beach. Yeah, bear walking on a beach. This is pretty funny. All right. So to move it, first of all, I have to click on events. So inside event, I have to click when clicked. So when the green flag is clicked, the motion will start. And now I have to create a loop. So loop should be of about say 10 repetitions. Yes. So it is now 10 repetitions. I can even make it 15 or 20 or 25, whatever you want. And now I go into motion and then click on move. Move 10 steps. So my bear will be walking 10 steps for each number of time the loop is repeated. And now I want to change the costume. So I go into looks and I look for move 10 steps and switch costume to bear walk H. Yes. And now I add a wait option. So now I have to wait for suppose say 1 second. So control, and inside this I have this option, and inside this I want 0.1. Yeah, that seems fair. 0.1 seconds seems fine. Okay, and now I go into looks again. So my first bear walk should be walk A, and then I go into looks again and I look for switch to costume. I place it here, and now my bear is walking bear walk B. Now again I go to events and control. I have to go to control and wait for 0.1 seconds. So I click on it, okay, and type 0.1. 0.1, correct. And now I go into looks and switch costume to C. I think 3 costumes are more than sufficient for now. Yes. And for if on edge, okay, there is an option. If you go into motion, that says if on edge bounce. If on edge bounce, this is the option. Okay, so now let me animate this. All of you can see it on the right side of your screen that your bear is walking. Okay, if you want a more perfect motion, you can use more bear costume. Walk A, walk B, walk C, walk D, walk E. So it looks seamlessly. So for explanation purposes, I have only used 3 walks. Now, if you click on the animate flag again, see, this is the problem that I was talking about. As soon as the sprite touches the edge, it reverses itself, but also upside down. Yes. So you can see it is walking upside down. So this is wrong. Yes. So for this we have a specific option, and that is set rotation style to left to right. Why? Because if on edge bounce, it means that it reverses our sprite. Yes, it was going from left to right and then we reversed it both ways. So XY direction becomes YX direction. In simple terms, it reverses the bear. So now it is walking upside down, which is not normal. So what we do, set rotation style to left and right. This is what works for us. Now let me check it if it's working correct. So my bear is walking perfectly fine, and then I play it again. Yes, my bear is walking perfectly fine, and when I press the play button and it bounces back from the background, from the edge of the background, it is walking straight and not upside down. So let us play it a few more times. Yes, it is walking perfectly on the beach on a bright sunny morning. then again it is walking perfectly, and as soon as it touches the edge of the background, it flips its side, and it does not reverses upside down, it is moving in the perfect order, and now it is walking again. So this is what set rotation style is used for. Okay, so let us come back to the PPT. So these are just options telling you, these are just slides telling you what I just told you. We did the practical together. So you can animate your own bear or bat or any other animal or anything that you want by yourself. Be creative enough. Yes. So this is the complete code, and try to innovate it. Try to make something new out of it. Try to make something funny. Yes, like bear walking on a beach. It's, I think, very funny. So animate a bear, and this is your quiz time. In which code block bear will move the fastest? So let us know the answers in the comment section. Okay. So this is your assignment for today. Assignment is a jumping ball. What you have to do is create an animated sprite that bounces up and down like a jumping ball. So I'm sure you kids like to play football all the time. So today you have to animate a football bouncing up and down. So keep learning something new every day and keep moving forward. And I'm sure you'll succeed. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you so much for watching.